Hello friends, today we are going to see CAT Concept Express series video number 12, that is concept number 12. So today we are going to talk on a very important topic, that is of art of picking and solving DILR sets. So predominantly when you are tackling this section DILR, I hear a lot of students complaining that they are able to attempt very less sets. Whatever they are attempting is not correct and hence the score dips down. So what is the reason for this and how do we tackle this? So we're going to see that. Also, I'm going to solve a very important DILR set that appeared in CAT examination. So you'll understand that with proper approach and strategy, it is much easier to solve DILR set in your CAT examination. Alright, so let's get started. So before starting, I want you to start the journey with Educare 247. We are receiving overwhelming response from students and this is very satisfying for all our professors who are working day and night to prepare the best content for all the aspirants. Alright, whether it be on YouTube or our course, we are preparing the best content that is available. Right? So just to give heads up, this is the course that we have. You have to visit this website over here, educare247.com, and you will be going into this CAT Booster 2020, which is a 360-degree mentorship program, which says from preparation to selection will be there with you. And what does it have? 200 plus hours of videos, basic to advanced, topic wise practice questions with explanation which are easy, moderate and advanced level. 5000 plus questions will be covered. Chapter wise summary sheet for quick revision, daily reading targets, one-to-one live mentorship strategy sessions, and profile building and GDPI preparation support, which is very vital. All right, cracking the examination just one part. You have to go the other phase by appearing for your GDPI. All right, so we'll help you develop that instinct in you and will be there with you till the selection. All right, these are the contents of the course in case you want to explore this. All right, I've just brought it down over here. Quantitative, basic, advanced, verbal ability, comprehension, data interpretation, logical reasoning practice, DILR practice. All right, group discussion and personal interview module. So everything is covered in this and it's very cost effective. It is just for 3999. All right, so please go onto the website, explore the course and join us. Alright, so let's get started with the business. DILR practice set. So basically this is a CAT 2017 slot 1 question. Alright, in a square layout of size 5 by 5 meter, 25 equal side square platforms of different heights are built. The heights in meter of individual platforms are as shown below. Alright, so this is the 5 by 5 platform. 25 equal platforms are there, square sized, and these are the heights of the platform, like 6 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, 3 meters. This is what it says. Some more information is given. All right, over here, individuals of all of same height are seated on this platform. All right, we can say an individual A can reach an individual B if all three following conditions are met. All right, so how one individual can reach other individual from one platform to another, these three conditions are there. So if we are talking about this A and B, A wants to go to B, what are the conditions? A and B are in the same row or same column. All right, so same row or same column in this way. A is at a lower height than B. All right, so let's suppose if the height of A is 3 and the height of B is 4, then A can reach. If this would have been 2, A could not have reached B. All right, if there is any individual between A and B, such individual must be at a height lower than that of A. So let's suppose this is A, this is B. All right, the height of A is 5. So basically everyone between A and B should be of a height lesser than B. If alright, so everyone between A and B should be at a height lesser than that of A, like 3, 2, 1, then only A can reach B. Alright, so thus in the table given above, consider the individual seated at height 8 on third row. Alright, so this is third row, height 8 over here is this, and second column. He can be reached by 4 individual. He can be reached by individual on his left. Alright, this 7 can reach, this 4 can reach, this 5 can reach, this, and even this 6 can reach over here. Right, you can see that between 8 and 6 only 4 is there, which is lesser in height. Right, so even he can reach. So rows in the layout are numbered from top to bottom and columns are numbered from left to right. This is pretty much general stuff. Let's get started because this is the only information. These are the 3 main rules that you should remember. So the question says, how many individuals in this layout can be reached by just one individual? Right, so only one individual should reach that other individual. So let us check for 6. 6 can be reached by 1. All right, and 6 can be reached by this 2 also, all right, because only 1 is there in between, so it can be reached by this 2 also, so this is out, all right. 1 cannot be reached by anyone because this is already lower in height than everyone else, cannot be reached, right, this is out. 2, let us check for 2. Who else can reach 2? So this 1 can reach this 2 and no one else can reach 2, all right, so this is one person, only one individual can reach 2. Let us check for 4. So this 2 can reach 4, this 3 can reach, hence this is eliminated, all right, 2 people are reaching it. Let us check for 3. Who can reach 3? So apparently no one can reach 3, so this is eliminated, right, everyone is at a height greater than that of 3 besides it. 9, 7 can reach 9, 5 can reach 9, hence eliminated. 5, 1 can reach 5, 3 can reach 5, hence eliminated. Let us check for this 3. This 2 can reach this 3, this 2 can reach this 3, hence this is also eliminated. Let us check for this 2. 3 cannot reach, 4 cannot reach, 8 cannot reach, 6 cannot reach, hence no one can reach, this is also eliminated, right. Let us check for this 8. 5 can reach, 3 can reach, hence eliminated. Just check if 2 people are reaching, then straight away eliminate. Do not count how many people we can reach. We have to just find out one individual, right, which can be reached by one individual. So let us check for this 7. This 3 can reach 7, 8 cannot reach, 9 cannot reach, this 4 cannot reach, hence only one individual can reach this 7, right, because only one individual is at a height lesser than that of 7. Let us check for 8. 7 can reach 8, 4 can reach 8, eliminated. Let us check for 4. This 3 can reach, 6 cannot reach, 8 cannot reach, 5 cannot reach, hence this is another individual, all right. Let us check for 6. 1 can reach, 5 can reach, eliminated. Let us check for 5. 2 can reach, and anyone else over here? No one else. So 5 is another individual, where only one individual can reach him. Let us check for this 3. All right. 1 can reach, 9 cannot, 7 cannot, 5 cannot, no one can reach apart from 1. Hence only one individual can reach 3. This is another one. Let us check for 9, 7, 5, obviously. So this is eliminated. Let us check for this 5. 1 can reach, all right. Who else can reach? This 2 can also reach, all right, because in between 5 and 2, 1 is there which is low at a lower height than 2. So this is eliminated, right. Let us check for 1. No one can reach 1, hence this is anyway eliminated. Let us check for 2, all right. This 1 can reach 2, 5 cannot, 9 cannot, hence this is another individual where only one individual can be reached, right. Let us check this square now. 1, anyway no one is going to reach 1 because it is already at the lowest height, all right. Let us check for 7. 6 can reach 7, 1 can reach, eliminated. Let us check for 6. 3 can reach, 5 can reach, eliminated. Let us check for 3. 1 can reach, 9 cannot, 6 cannot, and no one else is at a greater height, smaller height than that of 3. Hence 3 is another individual where only one person is reaching him. Let us check for 9. 2 and 3 can reach, hence this is eliminated. So let us count how many total individuals are there who can be reached by only one other individual. This is 1, all right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hence the correct answer to this question is 7, all right. Let us have a look at question number 2. This is one of the easiest question of this set. Which one of the following is true for any individual at a platform of height 1 meter in this layout? All right, so where are the 1 meter layouts over here? This individuals are 1 meter, height of 1 meter, right. So option A, they can be reached by all individuals in their own row and column, definitely false. We have already seen that 1 is the lowest height, so how can you reach from a bigger height to lower height when in the rules they have said that you can only move from a lower height to higher height, right. So no one can reach 1. Option B, they can be reached by at least 4 individuals, again wrong, they cannot be reached by anyone. Option C, they can be reached by at least one individual, no, again they cannot be reached by anyone, hence we are left with only option number D. And if you would have glanced at option number D at first, you would have anyway marked it, they cannot be reached by anyone, hence D is the correct choice. Let us have a look at question number 3. We can find 2 individuals who cannot be reached by anyone in, options are given in the last row, the fourth row, the fourth column, or the middle column. Let's go option by option. The last row, all right. 1 cannot be reached by anyone, 7 can be reached by 6, 6 can be reached by 5, 3 can be reached by 1, and 9 can be reached by both 2 and 3. So first option is out. Option number B, the fourth row, all right. So this one. So over here again 1 cannot be reached by anyone, 3 can be reached by this 1, 9 can be reached by this 7, obviously 3 also can reach 9, 5 can be reached by say this 4, all right, this one also, all right. 2 can be reached by this one, all right. So this option is also eliminated, all right. Let us check option C, that is the fourth column, this one. So already one over here is one person who cannot be reached. This 4 can be reached by this 3, right. This 2 cannot be reached by anyone. Everyone around this 2 is at a height greater than that of 2, hence this also cannot be reached by anyone. So we already have this 2 and this 1 in this row, that is 2 individuals who cannot be reached by anyone. 6 can be reached, 3 can be reached, right. So there are exactly 2 individuals who cannot be reached by anyone in this fourth column, hence option number C is your correct choice. Let us have a look at question number 4. Again, this is an easy question. You have to just cross check with the options. Option A, each row has an individual who can be reached by 5 or more individuals. We have to just prove that this is false and we'll eliminate this option. We'll go in this fashion only. Alright, so option A, each row has an individual who can be reached by 5 individuals. Let us check row number A. 6 can be reached by only 1. Alright, 1 cannot be reached by anyone. 2 can only be reached by this one. This 4 can be reached by this 2, 3 and 2, 3 individuals only. This 3 can be reached by no one, alright, it cannot be reached by no one, hence this option is false. There is no one who can be reached by 5 individuals in a row. Option B, each row has an individual who cannot be reached by anyone, alright. So here there is 1, here there is this 2 who cannot be reached by anyone, alright. Let us check for row number 3. 7 can be reached by 3, 8 can be reached by 5, 4, 7, 4 can be reached by this 3, 6 can be reached by this 1, 2, 4, 5, 5 can be reached by this 2, hence this option is also wrong, alright. Now we'll skip this option C because this is a very lengthy option. If you read each row has at least 2 individuals who can be reached by equal, you have to cross verify for every row and every individual. We'll come back to it later. We'll see option D first. If you are able to eliminate option D, you do not need to solve option C and we'll straight away mark it. Option D, all individuals at the height of 9 meters can be reached by at least 5 individuals. We just need to prove this false. So suppose this is the 9 meter individual with the height of 9 meters. He can be reached by this 5. Alright, he can be reached by this 7. He cannot be reached by this 3 because this 5 is greater in height than 3. So he can be reached only by this 6 also. So 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 individuals, not 5. Alright, hence this option is eliminated. Hence the correct answer is option number C straight away. You do not need to verify it. So that's it in this video. I hope you have understood the set that we have taken. It's very important. Please try to understand the method that we have gone about in solving the set and try it on your own. Alright, that is the best way to practice DILR. Thank you and happy learning.